Research now indicates that forced nutrition in terminally ill patients may actually worsen the patient's condition. Digesting food requires a level of energy that the dying person just may not have. One way even a healthy person may have experienced this lack of energy for digestion is by growing nauseous or vomiting following an intense workout. During an exhaustive workout, the body reallocates resources to the muscle groups and organs that require it the most. This leaves the digestive system with limited energy, thus inducing nausea, as it is unable to process food at that moment. A dying person's body is also reallocating limited energy supplies to keep the essential systems of the body working. Because of this, their bodies lack the energy to digest food, therefore making the presence of food painful or even intolerable. Carbohydrates are our body's major source of energy. When our bodies no longer have enough carbohydrates to metabolize, such as when we stop eating, they start breaking down fat to create energy. As fat is broken down in the body, ketones build up. You have probably already heard of ketones alongside the rise of the keto diet. Ketones play an interesting role at the end of someone's life. The resulting raised ketone levels suppress hunger, thirst, and pain. There is also some evidence that high ketone levels can produce a state of well-being or mild euphoria. Forcing someone to eat or drink at the end of their life may prevent this buildup of ketones and reverse this metabolic process, causing increased hunger, thirst, and pain. This period without food usually lasts about 10 days. Remember that patients are not dying because they are not eating. They are not eating because they are dying. Artificial hydration can also create more discomfort. As the body shuts down, the kidneys are no longer able to regulate fluid well. This can cause edema or swelling in the legs. But worse, it can also cause swelling in the lungs. This causes distressing symptoms, such as shortness of breath and coughing. The reallocation of energy supplies also involves shunting blood away from non-vital areas, such as the arms and legs, to preserve oxygen delivery to the brain and heart. This may lead to cold and mottled extremities, which it then travels up from. It is not painful, but giving the patient an extra blanket may help keep them warm. Research shows that this occurs late in the dying process and is a cardinal sign that death will occur within hours to days.